Why are you crying? Are you okay? Stop crying! You're a boy!
Boys don't cry. Boys don't show emotions. Boys should always be strong. Which is funny, because boys are literally humans. A research study by Joe Goody actually looked at this idea that men should be fearless and women should be fearful. And surprisingly, it's not true. The stereotype is simple. Women, emotional. Men, fearless. But the research says something different. Men still feel fear. They just hide it. The research connects this to something called hegemonic masculinity. Basically, this is the society's ideal man. Fearless! Oh.
Emotionally silent.
Which sounds like less of a human and more of a robot.
When men are taught to suppress emotion, doesn't make it completely disappear. Just makes them come out differently. Anger. Aggression. Emotional isolation.
The research also points out how faith and social race affects masculinity. Sometimes it can lead to extreme behaviors and discriminations.
So maybe the problem isn't that boys cry. Maybe the problem is that society won't let them. Because fear isn't feminine. Crying isn't a weakness. And masculinity shouldn't mean emotional silence. Also, if men didn't feel emotion, breakup songs wouldn't exist.
I try to laugh about it, hiding my tears in my eyes, 'cause boys don't